another king of the Daily, everybody. Her name is Kelsey Brown, so queen of the Daily. We actually went to school with her. She's super cool. She is the assistant manager of her family's business, Blood's Catering and Party Rentals, and we'll include a link in the description. She lives in New Hampshire. She's got a dog, Sam. Thank you so much for donating, Kelsey. We got one more king of the Daily left.
Hey, Kelsey, thanks. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's get to the Daily.
Kelsey, thank you.
Dylan, what is that?
What's what?
The glint on your face.
It's a septum piercing.
What the? Aaron? Did you see what he did to his face?
Yeah.
You gonna say anything to him?
I mean, he's a grown-up. He can do whatever he wants.
He's ruined. He's got a beautiful face, and he ruined it with that thing. Come on.
What?
Hey, we're going to get snacks. Swing.
Dylan.
Can we come in?
Yeah.
It's the Snack Brigade! Fuck yeah! Those are circus peanuts. That's the good stuff, dude.
Snack ham.
I got a drumstick. Dylan, what'd you get?
Got a Red Bull.
I got this. Just kidding, dude. We're not gonna fuck with you like that, man. We got you some Dak Ham! Woo! Woo-hoo!
Sponsored by Dak.
Sponsored by Dak Ham. It's the dancing Dak Ham man. Wait, Aaron, wait. Hold on, wait, we're not.
This is a Dak moment. What?
Enjoy that ham.